Dumpster rental service in Port Charlotte, Florida. Need a dumpster rental in Port Charlotte, Florida? Big Dawg Dumpsters makes waste removal simple, fast, and affordable. Whether you're tackling a home cleanout, managing a construction site, or handling a business renovation, we have the right dumpster for you. Cleaning out years of clutter? Our dumpsters are perfect for old furniture, appliances, and household junk. Contractors and businesses rely on us for reliable dumpster rentals that keep job sites clean and efficient. From roofing materials to drywall and heavy debris, our dumpsters handle it all. We offer a range of sizes, including 15-yard dumpsters for small jobs and larger roll-offs for major projects. No matter the scale, we provide the right solution to fit your needs. We're committed to timely delivery and pickup, ensuring your dumpster arrives when you need it and is hauled away promptly when you're done. No waiting, no hidden fees, just dependable service every time. Need help choosing the right dumpster? Our knowledgeable team is here to guide you through the process, making sure you get the best fit for your project at a budget-friendly price. For stress-free dumpster rental in Port Charlotte, Florida, call Big Dawg Dumpsters today at 743-244-3294. Let's keep your property clean and clutter-free, one dumpster at a time.